channel, guys. Today I am going to make a new video, so please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes, so please yes. Okay, thank you.
Okay, this is my new keyboard. Sorry I didn't put me unboxing the keyboard like straight out of the box because I didn't have time. So I'll just be doing sound tests and showing you the RGB. So it is the RGB now. There's a breathing mode. This mode, I don't know what it's called. It's the same thing, just going up. This one I like to call it crazy, because it basically is. Oh, and this one, my favorite. Every time you touch a button, it will turn into that color where it is. What the hell did I just say? Okay, let me show you another RGB. This is breathing mode, but it goes like from one line to another. And then, yeah. And then the mouse, I'm gonna do also the sound test. Okay, now it's time for the RGB. Sorry if it's a little bit bright. The RGB mode I have it on right now is rainbow. It's really cool. And then I'm going to change it to blue. Pretty sure this changes. Nope, this actually is one solid color. No, actually it does change. This is a really cool color.